It's the most wonderful time of the year, with the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you'll be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest.
Hi everyone, welcome back from my table to yours. Today we are going to make a cheese ball for our holiday appetizer. We are going to use some room temperature cream cheese. So we are going to open that up and we are going to put that in the bowl. I'm going to use 3. You can use how many ever you'd like to, depending on how big you want your cheese ball. It's the happiest season of all, with those holiday greetings and fun, happy meetings when friends come to call. It's the happiest season. It's easier to use the room temperature cream cheese, and it's easier to mix it together once you get all your ingredients put in. Okay, now that we got the cream cheese in the bowl, we are going to use some butter, ham, and we are going to open that up. I'm using 2 packets because then when you mix it up, it will actually all be able to be mixed in to the cheese ball. And I just cut it in slices. You want to make sure that you get it all diced up in tiny pieces. This is a really good appetizer. I only make this a couple times a year, and it's usually for the holidays. It doesn't last very long. It's quick, it's easy, and it's cheap. So now that you got all your ham cut up, you know, just kind of spread it around in your thing there. Okay. And then I'm also going to put some bacon in it. Normally I don't, but this time I'm going to give it a little more flavor. So I'm going to put in maybe, there we go, a handful. And then we are going to use some green onions. And I usually cut off the top of the onions here first. But I use the green part of the onions. I think it tastes better, and it gives it a good smell too. So we're going to cut, you can put as many onions in it as you want. I try to put a lot in there. It tastes really good. And these are really good with crackers or, you know, naan bread, any of that. That in there as well. And then we're going to go ahead and put some cheese in there. You can use whatever kind of cheese you'd like to. I use the Colby. I think it tastes good. And like, other people have different preferences, so you can use whatever you want. This is really popular here at my house. Now what we're going to do is we're going to mix it all together. I'm going to use the masher because it'll be easier to start mashing it and getting it in. You want to make sure that this actually gets mixed in good. Make sure everything gets mixed in there really good. Sometimes I use my hands. At least this way you get all the cream cheese and everything mixed up in there. You don't want to just take a bite and get just a big clump of cream cheese. This is great for New Year's Eve parties, you know, anything for Christmas Eve parties. Just simple, easy, and doesn't take that long to make. You will have to get your hands messy at some point, but then you're gonna roll it into a ball and get it all nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my hands. And then once you get the ball done and you get it how you want it, usually mine's not perfect, but it sure does taste good. Make sure to get all these little guys off the side here. There we go. Okay, now that we have cleaned up, we have put our cheese ball in another bowl. Now that you have it in there, you're going to want to cover it up, and then you're going to want to let chill for like 3 to 4 hours for the best taste. Please hit like and subscribe, and thank you for watching From My Table to Yours. We'll see you next time.